It is Tracy and I'm back with another video, and today I have the April Boxy charm. This is the best time of the month. I love when this box comes. It makes me happy and I can't wait to open it and see what's inside of it. And I have not opened it yet. I just pulled it out of my mailbox, and after I go through this, I'm going to show you a few items that I got at Burlington and some stuff I ordered from Shop Miss A. So if you want to see that, stay till the end. So this is BoxyCharm. If you don't know what it is a beauty subscription service. You get 5 full-sized products every month, not samples or deluxe size samples. They're all full size, and it is $21 a month. So if you would like to sign up, I do not believe there's a waiting list right now. So if you would like to sign up, head over to boxycharm.com and they will get you signed up for a box. And this is not sponsored. They don't know who I am. They don't know I'm making this. I pay for this with my own coins. So without further ado, if you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, thank you for returning. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. It's totally free, and click the bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video while you're watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Now we'll get on and see what's inside the box. And they always pack them really, really well. I've never had a problem with anything breaking at all. So this is how it comes. It comes with this styrofoam, and you always get a card. And this time, this is different than usual. Usually it's just like a postcard. So it says BoxyCharm, and then I guess the theme is eye candy. And then it tells you all about what you got in the box. And I'm so happy that I didn't get a palette from ColourPop that I have. Oh my God, that's so amazing. So the first thing I see here that we're going to pull out is, this is Tartiest Pro Glow, and it is a liquid highlighter. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigment and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for a naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto the skin and the highlight, and put the highlight exactly where you want it. This says it is $29. And is this in a color? This is in the color Stunner. The packaging is like super pretty. I've never even seen this product before. So let's give it a little swatch here. Can't really see it. It's pretty light. Let's put some more on. I mean, on my finger you can tell it's really intense. I'm interested to play with this, so was not knowing that this was coming. Let's see. I see now another product. This is from Dr. Brandt, and this is called the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. So that's nice. This is $47. And it says this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So I can definitely use that. My biggest pores have always been on my nose. So interested to try that out. And then I will keep you guys updated. In like 3 months I do like a quarterly where I get all the products, and then I like let you know if I liked it or didn't like it. So the next thing here is by the Brow Gal, and this is a tinted eyebrow gel, and this is $22. And what color is this? It just says, oh, brown, instant brown hair. So that's good. Mister's here out to play today. And this says that tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural look, a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural way to fill in brows. So that's nice. I always use a brow gel, so I can always get use out of that. And Mister is on top of the card now on the table. And then I see here this is by Adesse High Definition Liquid Makeup. liquid lipstick, and this is $24. And it's sealed, so let's open it up. I don't see a name of the color. It says it's a luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick, and it provides dazzling full coverage, the full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator, made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single swipe. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. And I don't see a color listed here at all. So it looks like a nice nude, which I always appreciate because I usually end up getting the colors that I don't wear. And that looks like it's really nice. It's got like a brown kind of nude. It's a really nice color. I actually really like that color, which I'm happy because a lot of times when I get color that I don't like, I just have to end up passing it on. And then for the last item, we got the ColourPop and My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. And this is one that I did not buy, so I'm so excited because I just knew I was going to get one that I already had. So this is $16. You get 12 shades. There is no mirror, but these are the colors. And this one says, explore the palette inspired by the colorful personalities and magical cutie marks. For shimmery glitters and wearable mattes to bright pops of color and surprising iridescence. You can imagine the looks you'll create with this little palette. Friendship is magic when you're friends with a sparkly crew. So let's do a couple little swatch here. This pink, this purpley. This one looks kind of interesting. So there's the purple, there's the pink, and that one looks to be like a duochrome. So, ooh, you guys know I love color and I'm like into colorful. So as I have a neutral look on today, I'm really excited to play with that. So this month was an awesome box. Like, I love everything. I love the color of the lipstick. I need the vacuum pore cleaner. I can always use a brow gel. So, I mean, I'm totally happy. And this was $21. Let's add it all up and see what the total value of the box is. You know, the palette was $16. The pore stuff was $47. How much was the lip stuff? Was $24. And the brow gel is $22. And the Tarte liquid highlighter is $29. So that was a $138 box for 21 bucks. If you guys do not get BoxyCharm, what are you waiting for? This box is amazing. This is the best way that I know and the most cost-efficient way that I know to build a mailbox, to build a collection of makeup. If you don't have a lot of high-end stuff like myself, you get high-end stuff and you're not paying the high-end price. So it's a really nice way to build a collection of your makeup for 21 bucks a month. And this box this month is like one of the best. So super happy with that. And then I went into Burlington again and I found this Bebe Illumi-Eyes metallic liquid eyeshadow. There's Mister. Look up here. Look. Over here. Say hi. There you go. This is, it was giving me Stila vibes. So I swiped it when I was at the store when I got in the car because I was so curious. So let's see, we'll just do it here. This is like a pinky kind of iridescent. And then this one is, this one's giving me Kitten Karma vibes. Because it's kind of like a rose gold. And that's what it reminded me of. So there we go. That's the pink. I don't know why I swatched them there. And then that's the rose gold kind of color. And I do have the dupe for the palette, the Stila Magnificent Meadows coming up. It'll be up May, I don't know, because I'm leaving to go to the dentist and I'm going to spend the night, so I'm going to be gone for a few days, so not too sure when that'll go up. But I'm going to try and get this one up today, which is Wednesday, and maybe I'll get it up tomorrow, Thursday. We'll see how it goes. And then the other thing I got was this. Oh, and this, these Illumi-Eyes, these were $3.99 for 2 of them. So not a bad price. I got this Glamorous Blush Palette Tin Pan for $4.99 by BH Cosmetics. And the reason that I picked this one up is because the colors are so, like, unique. And I thought that if I don't like them as blushes, they would make great eyeshadows. So for the summer with lots of fun pops of color, I just thought that would be cool. So that, was from BH Cosmetics. And then I ordered a few things from Shop Miss A. And they have it packaged quite nicely. I didn't order anything that would break though. So let's cut this thing open. I kept hearing everybody talk about the, what was it, the sponges that they said is like a total better than beauty blender kind of thing. So I had to get some, and I got like 5 of them because they were saying how good they were. They're just the pink ones. These ones are $1.55, and for some reason some of the proceeds go to some kind of animal rescue or something. So I ordered 5, got a few for my daughter, a few for myself, and then I ordered just this little blender base to hold your beauty blender. Let's take it out and try it with one of these, shall we? Let's see here. I need a new blender too because my Eco Tools one that I just bought already has a rip in it. Oh yeah, these are spongy. So you can put it in this little holder. Just give it somewhere to sit. No, it doesn't suction cup, but give it a spot to dry. So that's really nice. And then I just ordered 2 of their small pencil brushes. I ordered some of these before, and these are like some of my most used pencils for under the eye. So I just ordered 2 more of those, and that was it. So that's going to do it. I will let you guys know. I'll keep you updated on the sponges and the glittery stuff. I'll keep you updated on that. I'm going to have a haul update coming soon of all the stuff that I bought. And I bought the Marvelous Mauves and the Persona Identity Palette. And I bought a Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Those are the only 3 things I bought from the 21 Days of Beauty, so I did really, really good. And yeah, so that's going to do it for today. Mr. is now up at the table here, ready for class. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!